Hello friends, welcome you again in my new video where I will tell you how to unlock any Android smartphone at your home like Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco. Like pin pattern password in this video, you will also know that you will not lose any data at the time of unlocking. And the biggest thing is from this video, we will also know that how can you remove the password of your mobile without any computer and without any data loss. This method is also used in the service center now and you can use it. By doing this, you can unlock any Android smartphone at home. So let's start this video. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. When your mobile is locked, first of all, you have to full battery charged of your smartphone so that your mobile will not switched off in the process of unlocking. If your mobile will switched off during mobile unlocking, then all the important data of your smartphone remains in danger of being deleted. Watch this video properly till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile while fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Then first of all, you must full battery charged of your smartphone. Then after, use the offline mode. In the offline mode, first of all, you have to click on emergency call option from here, and when your emergency call option comes, I am telling a secret code to you and you have to use that code, and this code is *#56363 *125577 and #. This code is also work for close the running background application, so that's why we have called this code 3 times. One, when you click the call button, a pop-up message will appear in the display, so you have to click to OK to ignore the message. You have to repeat it same process for 3 times, 2 and 3. After completing this process, the offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode or flight mode from this shortcuts menu. With activating it, your smartphone will completely go in offline mode. Now you have completed a stage, and now you have to take a new and most important another steps. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode of your smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our service center. Now you have to use that code to open engineer mode also, and this code is first of all clear the call log from here and use master unlocking mode, and this code is *#899 and # means *#899 and #. And as you will, by clicking on the last # button, the engineer mode will be activated in your smartphone. You can see that the engineer mode page also comes in your display. Okay. The page of master unlocking will come in your smartphone. Now you have to take some new steps from here. As you are looking at the number 5 option here, it is showing you the software version option. You have to open this software version option, and here you will also now see some new options here. You have to find out Android version on number 2. It has to be clicked as many times as it is written here, meaning now you have to click on Android version as many times. If you are showing Android version 10 here, 11 here, 12 here and 13 here, then you have to click it 10 times, 11 times, 12 times and 13 times. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. As soon as this process of yours will be completed, now you have to come back from this page. After this, now you have to click on the option above it, that is a manual test on number 4 option. You have to click the manual test option. Now some new pages also come in your smartphone. Now you have to go to the last page which belongs to other by swapping it from the side, and now you will see total 5 options here. You have to work in these options very carefully. First of all, you have to click on the database version or mainboard version 11 times. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now after completing it, you have to click on the option given here on number 2, that is read write important log test. When you open it for the first time, you will be asked to confirm it, but you don't have to confirm it, cancel it. You have to repeat the same process for 3 times. Second time also do the same thing, cancel it, and the third time also do the same thing, cancel it. But in the fourth time, you have to click on the same option, but you have to click on OK button. Now you will see here your mobile password has gone to the reset mode. Now all you have to do is apply one last method and your smartphone will completely go to unlocked. Now you have to go back to the device debugging page, and you can see that this is the device debugging page. And here you will also many options here. You have to find a option which named sensor self test and calibration. Now you have to open this option, and now you will be seeing 2, 3, 1 option here. Here all the options are in default, not a started mode. As you see here, you have to start it automatically by touching it, and here you will get a test pass message. If your test pass message has not come, then you will click on the same until your test pass message has come. If your test pass message has comes, your mobile will be unlocked. Until click on wait for test pass message. This is a time taken process. Wait for test pass message. Hello friends, as you see here, test pass message has comes, then your work is almost done. By the way, you will be click on the home button here, and you can see that your mobile phone is unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock any Android smartphone except iPhone. If your mobile is still not unlocked, in that case, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team definitely will reply to your comments so that you will be able to also your mobile. Thank you for watching this video.